my honorable judges, esteemed guests, and my dear fellow speakers, Assalamu alaikum. Mr. President, people say corruption is too powerful to end. But the truth is, it's only powerful because the youth is too silent. Let me begin with a question. If the youth remains silent when the nation is bleeding with corruption, then who will speak? Ladies and gentlemen, every nation has enemies. Some attack from borders, but some from inside. Our enemy wears no uniform. He takes bribe from one hand and waves the flag from the other hand. We live in a country where cheating in exams looks normal. We live in a country where bribing for jobs becomes destiny. We live in a country where fake degrees lead to real power. Mr. President, the black ink of corruption has stained even the white uniform of education. When a teacher takes bribe for marks and positions, he doesn't just exploit his students, he destroys the entire nation. When a government officer demands chai pani only to move a poor man's application, when a government officer demands chai pani only to move a poor man's application, and if he is denied, he kills the justice with delayed tactics. In 2024, ladies and gentlemen, in 2024, our country has ranked among the top most 30 corrupt nations in the world. Billions and billions of rupees every year vanish in the corruption. But if that money comes to youth, Pakistan wouldn't be begging for jobs. Pakistan would creating the jobs. Every youngster would be an entrepreneur. But corruption has dropped Pakistan blind. A poor father pays bribe just to get a hospital's bed for his dying child. A graduate after 16 years of education approaches a politician for a job, resulting in the murder of merit. In all this mess, ladies and gentlemen, in all this mess, this is called system ka masla hai. But no, ladies and gentlemen, it's not the system alone. We are also the part of the story. We steal electricity from our neighbors. We file fake FIRs. We leak papers. We pay for marks. It's not the problem of the system. It's a problem of our society. If we want to end the corruption in the society, we have to minus corruption in ourselves first. So youth, enough excuses, enough silence, enough waiting for heroes. Because we, the youth, are 60% of Pakistan. We hold the real power. The power of truth, the power of unity, and the power of technology. Ladies and gentlemen, this device in my hand is the greatest weapon against corruption. Every click we make, every truth we post, every voice we raise is a bullet in the chest of corruption. But our fight is not with guns, it's with guts and courage. And we will fight. We will fight with integrity. We will fight with accountability. We will fight with the belief that halal success is greater than haram comfort. My dear youth, every time you refuse to cheat, you fight corruption. Every time you speak the truth, you fight corruption. Every time you do the right thing, even when no one is watching, you lead the revolution that Pakistan needs. Mr. President, people say the system is corrupt, but who is the system? It's us. System is us. The fight against corruption will not begin in the parliament. It will begin in the classroom when a student refuses to cheat, when a graduate says no to buying a job, and we, the youth, are ready to change the scenario. So youth, rise with fire in your words, rise with vision in your hearts, rise with honesty in your dreams, rise not for the fame but for the faith in justice. Rise not for applause but for the country that deserves better. When history writes about us, let it say, there came a generation that did not inherit a clean Pakistan. but created a clean Pakistan. I am youth, I am future, I am Pakistan's fight against corruption. Thank you very much.